Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Alright. Come on, man, we gotta go to the car shop. You guys need a cleaning?
This man eating.
Anyway, we about to get ready to go to this car show. Glad this suction cup mount works now.
Oh, it didn't. Okay, it didn't a long time ago.
It didn't do it in the other video
jumped in my lap
when I was in here. Hey, that's a clean GT. Look at that. Whoa.
But they can.
Yeah, they saw part of it.
All they saw was my beard. That's all they saw was my beard, and you know that.
But anyway, we're about to go to this car show in Jackson, Tennessee. Yeah, okay.
It's at Casey Jones restaurant, right near it, at least.
Okay. Is it StreetRunners?
StreetRunners and then Road Dogs. Are the two that I know of.
Okay. Well, I'm a little hurt also. So I got crutches. My face kind of messed up on this side. That's why you kind of only see my good side.
That on purpose.
Anyway, we hit you up when we get there.
True.
Bet.
Now you want to do it when we ain't recording.
Well, unfortunately, the car show had to be put to a halt because it's raining, and apparently we're supposed to be getting hail. So we'll probably be back at my house by the end of this video. Ooh, Mustang. Yeah, we just gotta figure out what we're gonna do now.
Yeah, so it's, this is V10, 600 horsepower, 547 pounds of torque. Does 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds in first gear. That's my favorite stat. The gears are really tall, meaning, as an example, third gear, you can actually start out in third gear. I mean, you can literally be at a stop sign, stopped, and because of the torque, you can pull off, and you can go third gear from 0 all the way up to about 110 miles an hour, which is crazy. I don't know of any other car that do that.
What you got done to it?
What I have done nothing. I want to keep. I don't want to do any mods at all. This is fully stocked, and that's what's really neat about the Viper. And these numbers I'm telling you are stock. There's nothing to it. The only thing I've done is put new R Toyo's tires. That's the only thing I've done.
Pretty sticky and whatnot.
Very sticky. They're not good in the rain, but They're very sticky. Once I put these on, because when I bought the car, I drove it back on the original tires, which are 8 years old, and I could tell they were hard, and I could tell that I had to be very careful. You know, these very sticky. You know, as soon as they warm up, you know, you're not going anywhere.
How many miles this thing got?
When I bought it, it had 895 miles. It's a 2010, by the way, which is a Gen 4. It's the last year model of the Gen 4. When I bought it, 895 miles. It has 3,000 now. Just turned over 3,000 miles.
This storm like it went north of it.
Do what?
The storm that was hitting right now went north.
Okay, good, good. So, other than that, what we were talking about earlier, there's about 30,000 of these that were built in a 25-year span. Estimates are about 20% of them have been wrecked or no longer running. So, put you around 24,000 of these total. This model here, which is a 2010 coupe, there were 50 made that year. And this was one of 3 in this color scheme, silver with blue race stripe.
Let's go ahead and shut the hood and see what the hood looks like. The hood looks very interesting.
Yes, yes. As you can see, the engine needs a lot of air coming in and out of it. So, as you can tell on the hood, but not only that, what's really neat about the Viper is when you come over here, you'll have to come this way. You can see the airflow this way. So it's probably my favorite part of the Viper.
Is that just for the exit?
That's correct. That's to let the hot air out, and that's on both sides. And of course, you've got the
Stud in the passenger seat.
The stud in the passenger seat, but also the exhaust comes out of both sides, right under the doors, which is it's really awesome.
I wanted to do that with mine, but I got a Mustang, so it's like, yeah, most people put it out through the back, so
yeah,
I just kept it out through the back.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really do like it like this.
Thank you, thank you.
It's really different.
Yeah.
And what size tires you have on there?
Yes, you're asking the wrong guy there. I don't know that. That I don't know.
Yeah, let's get a look at this back of it real quick.
Yeah, you want to go to the back of it and maybe get inside? Yeah, well.
Yeah, it's very clean in here.
Thank you.
And is it like, do you have a lot of room up front, inside?
You know, it's a lot more comfortable than you think. One thing I do like about this that I wasn't expecting is, okay, so one thing's nice is you look, there's really not many things that are messing with the airflow. You know, it's, no, there's no door handles. I mean, this is how you open, which is pretty neat. But when you look at these seats,
There's another one. There's one hitting the Bartlett.
these are legitimate race seats, as you can tell.
That's a bigger one.
These come up here, and that's to prevent you. I mean, if you're really racing hard, because these are made for the track. These vehicles, you're not going to be sliding. You know, you've got it right here. I mean, you are in that seat, and it's comfortable. I mean, it's. I drove it, like I said, all the way back from Charlotte when I bought it, and very comfortable. This is a 4th gen, so there's 5 generations of this vehicle, and when you read about the 1st and 2nd generations, they talk about how hot it is inside the vehicle. Well, they fixed that by the time they got to the Gen 3 and Gen 4s and Gen 5s, so you don't have that issue in this vehicle at all.
It's really nice in there.
Thank you. 6-speed, I don't know if I said that.
And how long you owned it?
I bought it about 8 weeks ago.
8 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice. I would like to have one day.
Well, it took me 24 years. The reason I bought it was 94. I was, what, 21 years old, and my wife and I saw one at the time, which was one of the first ones made, and definitely the first one I'd ever seen. and they started it up. We were at an air show, and I told my wife, I said, one day I'm going to own one of these. And so it took me 24 years before I was willing and able to shell out the money for this. It's definitely a lifelong dream that's now true. So.
Oh yeah.
You guys checking in, man?
No, I was just driving by.
Oh.
Saw the cars?
Just something cars, man.
Yeah, well, we heard there was a storm coming, and we thought there might be some hail in it, so we decided to come.
Yeah, you better take those.
Which one's your favorite, buddy? Which one you like? Which color? Oh, you like the black one.
Every time, Night Rider, man. Black. That Night Rider get it every time. Turn this off, Gary.
2015 Stingray's got the Z51. It's got the sliding rotors. The Z51 has the sliding rotors. The regular doesn't have it. It's just kind of baseline. It's 470 horse, 6.4 torque. So, enough to get around. Vest's always lighter than everything else. I don't race it much. I get on it, get off of it. Yeah, do what I gotta do. Yeah, but it's the called the LT2 package. I just got standard black in it. You could have got different colors with the LT2, LT3. Difference the dash and the seats also have the same pattern of color. You can get your own color. I decided to get it all plain. Yeah, got that translucent top on it. Yeah. Want to open up the door? Yeah. Rodney called, I get a chance to clean it up, man. Let's go, man.
Smells good too.
How long you had this car?
I had it a year. Just almost 13,000 miles.
Any modifications to it? It looks pretty
I haven't
small.
done any modifications to it. Like the new ones have the tours from Econ to Tour, Sports, Track Mode. In fact, I drove it to New Orleans last 2 weeks ago, and it has an Econ feature on it. I got 28 miles to the gallon. Wow.
Jeez,
yep. Got 28 miles to the gallon.
In a bit.
Yeah. So it has a feature on it.
That's impressive.
Woo! Man, that was fun. What?
So what up, people?
But yeah, we just got back home now. We're chilling, or not yet. But
We ain't quite home. We'll be there momentarily.
I know he's gonna pass out because he's been up since 6 p.m.
Yeah,
yesterday. I woke up at 6 today, so.
And he tired. Imagine me.
Anyway, that was a nice little car show event,
Outing,
meet, whatever. Because
it wasn't a car show, but I mean, just riding in a group like that is fun.
this man got a deal of a lifetime today.
Oh yeah.
He got a tuner for his car for $65. Not $160, $65. I was like, dude, get
$300 tuner.
I said, dude,
He said 65. I thought about it for a second. Said I hit you up, and I look at Darius. He give me that look. I said, I'll be right back, man.
I gave him that look. You better find an ATM right now and get it.
I went to do it. I said, what ATM at, man? I'll be right back.
Exactly.
So nah, $65. I can't pass on that. I mean, plus it's already programmed for the same model car that I have. I just got to get it unmarried to that one, but that ain't no big deal. I'll just call Diablo. They can do it for me.
Exactly. Anyways, I just want to thank StreetRunners for letting a guy out that, you know, basically like Mustangs and just like take me in like a part of their family and stuff like that. That was
Oh yeah,
that was pretty legit.
They was 100% willing.
Especially when they had a Mustang that just randomly came out of nowhere and
He didn't belong
started
there.
rolling with us.
Nobody knew him.
Yeah, nobody knew.
When we got to the restaurant, nobody knew who it was. I was like, he was just provoking us to do burnouts.
Which, it was interesting. So.
Oh yeah, dude sticking his head out the sunroof.
Oh, of course, yeah.
That dude is a clown.
I gotta make sure I gotta put him in.
That guy is a clown. And the other blue Challenger, that car is running.
Oh, the Scat Pack.
Yeah, that car is running.
I get him.
You will.
After I do.
That's why you keep talking, man.
After I do what I need to do.
I can't get him.
I gotta do what I gotta do first with my car, and then I can be like, okay, hey, what's up, man?
What I'm saying is that I got 100 more horsepower than you. He's got about 80 more horsepower than me. Probably more since he's tuned and modified.
Yeah, he also said that
He's
got
about
a Pro
500
Charger.
horsepower. He's got a Pro Charger that he just hasn't put on there yet.
Yeah,
He's just got it at the house.
Yeah. My mom waving at us.
Oh.
Yeah, she's waiting.
Why she waiting for me?
Because you didn't put the water hose up.
Oh, you didn't tell me to. Sorry.
Alright guys, we about to end the video here. Yeah, hopefully I can get more footage like this in the summertime. Since
We should. They get out a lot.
yeah, but next time my car should be out.
Hopefully.
Bye guys, we see you on the next one. Alright.
Peace.
The double peace sign
Oh,
as
yeah, right.
usual. As usual. Alright guys.